Did you know that beneath modern London lies a layer of red ash from one of history's most brutal acts of revenge? In 60 AD, Roman soldiers made a fatal mistake. When Celtic Queen Boudica's husband died, they flogged her in public and assaulted her daughters. They thought this would break her spirit. They were wrong. Boudica rallied 100,000 warriors from tribes across Britain. Her fury became their battle cry. Together, they marched on Roman settlements with unstoppable rage. First, they destroyed Camalodunum, then Londinium, burning it so completely that the ash layer is still visible today. Finally, Verulamium fell. 70,000 Romans died in the flames, but Rome's disciplined legions regrouped. In the final battle, tactical precision crushed Celtic fury. Facing capture and certain torture, Boudica chose poison over surrender. She died free, but her revenge burned so hot that archaeologists can still dig up the evidence 2,000 years later.